I was lucky to get an opportunity to work in Goa. Earlier, from 2017 to 2021, I was the Postmaster General Goa. Obviously, with Goa and some districts in Maharashtra as well. But as you know, the post office is everywhere in the nook and corner of Goa, and I have seen the nook and corner of Goa more than an average probably a Goan has seen. So that will definitely help me. I know the people, and I had the opportunity to uh, meet and work or interact along with the present Chief Minister also, and Shri Naik also, who is our Minister of State. So at least it will give me a familiarity with the people and with the leaders here, so that it is easier for me to work in the interest of the port and also the people. Basic plan is to first understand the business of the port, because I'm new to this assignment and the post. But every port has lot of strengths and opportunities, lot of assets. So we need to look at how to monetize the asset, how to attract more cargo, obviously without affecting the environment much, leaving a minimum impact on the environment, how to be more economical and how to get more commercial cargo and lead the port to its past glory. At least we have to maintain ourselves and help the society, help the Goenkers gain more employment and with minimum impact on the environment. So as I said, the first priority should be the development of the port, and more importantly, sustainable development of the port. So whatever cargo which come, we'll have to welcome it, but leaving minimum, footprint or impact on the environment. So we will look at both the aspects, how the port can lead a balanced life. Because I believe for every human activity we do, every commercial activity we do, we leave an imprint on the environment. How to minimize that imprint should be our main objective, and that I will definitely look at that aspect, and we have to lead a balanced life in the port.